Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I hope you have loved this tutorial in Corel. So on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design a complementary card in Corel. Corel so far is one of the very best app and good app to use for graphics designing. I hope you have been enjoying these classes. So to do that, we're gonna go to File, then start with New. Let's just start a complementary card first try. From there, number of pages 2 is correct RGB. Since we are using for printing, we'll take CMYK. Then sometimes on dimension, you can come there, you always see business card, and you click from there. This business card, you click from there, it will automatically give you the size of a business card. From here, you can see resolution 300. Then you click OK. So you have page 1 and page 2. Now for page 1, what I like to do on page 1 is maybe have something like a logo on it, and I can put a color, any good color at the back. So I would love to have a color on it, something like this, but let's go to properties and maybe try to play with the colors a little bit so I can have something really cool. Okay, I love to have the gradient. Now alright, with the color, we'll take it to that color with something so exactly. So now from there, all we have to do is to bring down our logo and centralize it. I guess we know where to see our logo already. We have to import something on a Corel. We have had numerous tutorials on importing on Corel. Voila. This is already my logo for the other part. You see? Now the second part, I would love to do something like this. I put two shapes and allow white space in the middle for my information. Alright, I will use something like this for my graphics, my flyer. So what I want to do is to create is just allow the middle empty, and at the edges, at the corners, that I try to just put something. So to do that is it will be quite easy. It's gonna be cool, I guess. Then now let's not put beautiful. Copy and paste it. You can paste it in Ctrl V. It's your choice how you wanna do it. Now that is with this, I'm done with shapes. The next thing I love to do is my information. I'll put my name. Put your place CEO. They put web tech. Oh no, web tech. Put your contact number. What I'm doing now, I'm putting my information. Please don't forget that you have to submit all these samples that we've been doing in graphic design for your certificate to be issued. Okay, it's very important. So in the long run, if you don't understand anything, please always notify. We always have revision classes on Saturdays, so it's good you always put all your questions and see how you ask those questions, because it's very important that you learn. Okay, I'm using popping as a font. I would like to cut this one from here, then I bring it down here. Now I guess you know how to play with the space in between them already. Now I like to bold my name. Now also the logo. So this is a complementary card, guys. Now it's in most of the time it's your choice to put a logos on it, but for this particular design I'm not putting any logo on it. It's a choice to put a logo on it. It's a choice to do things anyhow you want it. But something I like to tell you about complementary cards is you have to make it simple and easy to interpret. Most time we do complementary card with a lot of information to choke up, and maybe at the end of the day when someone sees the complementary card, it does not even know what it's reading. You see, with such things it disturbs your complementary card. But if I give you this complementary card, you know that the front is my logo. So the front is WebTech Academy, at the back is the CEO of WebTech Academy, info, Gmail. You are good to go. Most of the time complementary card don't necessarily need a lot of information to do something great, but you just need to have an idea. You carefully plan that idea, you're gonna get the best with complementary card. So guys, that is it for today's tutorial. Make sure you like, you share and follow us on social media. If you never understood anything on this complementary card, please write it down and just say you never understood it, and you text it to our email. We will be available to answer 24/7. Thank you very much. See you on the next class.